Hiya everyone, I hope you're keeping well. I wanted to ask a question. Someone said that the video isn't right. The video's on Facebook. Are they not? I do film on YouTube as well as Facebook, so if I'm looking in different cameras it could be why. But it's got us wondering, what are you seeing differently? Are they different? Let us know. Right, let's get started. So I don't usually come on at night doing these type of videos, but I'm excited to share something with you. This came to be perfect. Now I think I know what's in it because I've asked for it. I think you're gonna love it and you'll see why I've asked for it. Yeah, but first of all, I have just done my skin. Look at it, and I've got to say I'm impressed. Now I've been doing this for just over a week because I wanted to test it before I go home and tell you I love it. And it's this here. It's the liquid gold. I do have a code for you, and that's not why I'm doing this video, by the way. I'm glad I can give you a code. I've been using this now for about, yeah, just over a week I think I've had it. It's exfoliating treatment with 5% glycolic acid. Now I'd never used anything like this before, but the in-house team at Alpha H had said, right, this is what we'd recommend for you, because I told them what my skin was like. And I tell you what, I've been doing some looking on Google. The reviews of this stuff's really good, and I know I've seen a couple of your comments saying that you've used it and it's really good. So it's the liquid gold exfoliating treatment. It's glycolic acid. You're supposed to put it on to cleanse skin alternate evenings, which I've been doing. That's why it took so long to come back and say I love it. Moisten the cotton pad and then apply to your face, neck and décolletage. When the skin is touch dry, put your preferred Alpha H moisturiser or serum on. Now I don't have an Alpha H moisturiser for the face yet. I've got one for the body, which I've been using, which I absolutely love. It is very nice. I leave it in the bathroom mostly, and I've got like that multivitamin one as well. That's like more of a gel, water gel formula. But this, where's it? I take it off first with this, all my face makeup, take it off. It's a melting balm. Never ever had one. Look, been having a right good dip. So I take all my makeup off first with that, like proper, smooth it into the skin. It is like a butter, but it's like, you can feel it. It's got like something to it. It smells like oranges. It's lovely. And you just melt it in, clean it off. I've got like a really soft cloth that my friend Faye sent us. It's like a, it's not like a cloth, like hard, rough. It's really soft. Never had one before. But if I use a rough one, I end up with like dry skin. So she sent us this cloth, and I use this to take my makeup off with. Then alternative nights, I'll do this. If you want an intense treatment, you don't put a moisturiser or serum on top of. But I have been, because I like to keep it careful just in case, because I do think I've got rosacea. Either that or severe anxiety, and my face flushes so bad, you can see. So then I'll put this on. I use this. If I'm not doing this treatment, every other night I've been putting that on. Not every other night. I've been doing this every 2 nights because it's making my hair greasy. But wow, it is making a difference to my skin. Now look at my skin. I don't get anything treatmenty wise. I've just started looking at my skin and I'm really impressed. So that's Alpha H, and I have got a code for this. Hang on, you get 20% off. And what is it? It's AHLAUREN in capitals. I'll stick it underneath the video for you. I really think you should have a little look into that if you're looking for a nice new skincare brand. It's Australian. Really impressed so far. Loving it. So that's that. Just thought I'd come and show you because I've been pampering myself. I do it every other night, you know, and fart about in that bathroom. So now I'm going to show you this. I think you're going to like it. Lots of stuff come today. It's been a really good day. I've been out with Helen and the twins. So Helen is my sister. She's 36, 37. No, she'll be older than that now. I'm 43 coming up. Yeah, she's late 30s. Then there's the twins. They're 30. So the twins are twins. They're our twins. They look like each other though. mean, Helen used to look like each other, but Helen's like thin and small and I've put a lot of weight on. But we're quite similar in features. And if we're all stuck together, you can tell it's all. Do you know what I mean? But Helen, unfortunately, she doesn't want a photo taken. She doesn't want to be on video. And I completely understand that. So I never push her. But I would love to get her on here. But it won't happen. Ready? Let's have a look. I've got to be careful in case it's got me a dress. Oh, wow. It's what I wanted. They've sent it. No address, so I can show you this. Look at this. First of all, I'm going to show you. I'm not having a look straight away yet. That's an excellent surprise. The Be Perfect brushes. I'm proper into me brushes. Oh, what's this? Flat Fluffy. And then we've got, oh, another little eye one. Brilliant, brilliant. Blessed. You know, so I asked for something, I've got it. And they've sent these as well. Now, I don't think you can have enough brushes. So this is a tapered blender. Yeah, perfect. Look at this. I can't wait to use this and try it. I'm going to have a little test of it. So that would be where you put that. So it's tapered and it's nice and long. So you can kind of, I love the fact it's long. Yeah, I think you get more control when it's like that. But it's a different effect if you do it like that. To get more of like a wider, I don't know, feels like that. I feel that's the only way I can describe it because of my art brushes. I've got art brushes of different varieties and like, but that feels nice. I'm looking forward to trying that in the morning. I couldn't wait, you know, I was going to do this in the morning with you, but I'm just so excited. And I feel like I haven't seen you all day because I've been out with my sisters. And guess what? They're coming for a sleepover. So Martin's going fishing all weekend and they're coming over to sleepover. So I've got company and I'm loving it. We're going to do Seaburn on Saturday. We're going to walk to Seaburn, which is a canny hike from the Nook. And we're going to enjoy ourselves. But there's a little graveyard. Me and the twins walk through. We're going to show Helen it. Helen's coming as well. Helen will be sleeping in here. So I won't be doing a video at night. The first night on Friday night. But Saturday night, me and the twins might do a live with you. We'll see what happens. So this is, what was this one? A tapered blender and Flat Fluffy. Oh, get in. So that's your flat. This is for your eyelid. But you could do a bit of both. You could just use them for both. Like how that's flat. And that one's tapered. Look, I don't know if you can see. See? Can't have enough eye brushes. I love eye brushes. I love all sorts of brushes, but eyes are my favourite. So have a look now at this, what I've got. You're going to love it. I just know it. Ready? Now I'm going in and then we'll cut this off because it's a long one. Ready? It's the Carnival. It's the Stacey Marie Carnival palette. I said to be perfect. I would love, if you don't mind, sending to me a colourful palette. Because I've got the Muted, I've got Synchronised, I've got Mrs. Glam, and I've got the Harmony Bridal palette by Be Perfect. And they're absolutely gorgeous. But I am missing some full-on, like, bing looks. Because they're quite muted and gentle and, like, everyday. Like, everyone can wear them. But I like a bit of a surprise too. Like I like a little bit of a challenge. So this is the Love Tahiti. Ooh, let's have a look. I'm excited about this. I can see the colours on the back. Oh, look at that. I don't want to break the box. It's such a beautiful box. Right, you ready? Come on, ready? Let's have a look. Oh my God. Oh, look, 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 look. Oh, beautiful. Oh, see, straight away I'm excited because I do like doing my wearable looks for years, as you know. But I wanted something like this too. And the only other palette I've got with like so much colour on is the Beauty Bay, and that's the Bright B-Y-E or B-Y-N. Beauty Brights, like matte brights, bright mattes. God, I'll get there in a minute. And there's this like massive one that my friend got on Amazon, which I don't know if you can get anymore, but you can get this and you can get 20%, up to 20% off with my code LaurenLukebP. Isn't that exciting? I'm excited about offering that to you. It's quite cool because I work for Be Perfect, so I love the fact I can get a try of these things for you. So let's have a look up close up. We're going to do a proper swatch of all this for you. Look at them. Look, there's yous. Well, there's my nose. I'm excited about these colours. Look at that. And that there, I don't have them colours. And them, look at them. You've no idea how I'm not going to sleep now that I've seen these. I should have waited till the morning. I'm going to be thinking the looks I can do. And the outfits, I've got some jumpers I could, do you know what I mean? I've got like loads of things I could have a play with. Oh, I have to test this one. Have to test it. Look at it. Just have to test it. Let's test the rose pink. Just, just taste. I have to test a couple. Look at the colour. Oh! And Blue Moon. Blue Moon's another one like that. Oh. I'm going to have to test another one. Sorry. It's got to be done. Look at that. Oh. Right, okay. Oh, hang on. I'll test another one. I'm going to have to test Coral. I don't want to make a mess. Look at this. Let's test another one. Oh, look. This looks good. Blaze. Oh. See what I mean about these colours? I'm going to test another one. I have to. This one, Coral. I have to test another one. This one, Lagoon. Look. I've got to test this one. Got to be done. Oh, hang on. Have I got a thing? Yes, this has got to be done. Reef. I don't know about you, but I'm really excited. I'm honestly not going to sleep properly tonight, you know, knowing that this is waiting for me in the morning. Do you want us to do a makeup look for you in the morning with this? Say yes, so I can see your comments in the morning and we'll go into this palette and we'll do a look. I need to get that off my hand. It's exciting. Well, I hope you've enjoyed. I know it's only a short, well, it's not a short one, it's 12 minutes. But I just want to come and say hello to you all. I feel like I haven't replied properly for a few days, but I've had loads on. I've been out with my sisters today. Don't like being on my phone when I'm with them. I'm going out with my friend Sandra tomorrow, the one we did the makeup on. I've got a hooded makeup model for you. I've got glasses. I'm going to do a makeup look for glasses wearers. I'm just going to do it myself. I don't fully need glasses, but I do for like computer screen. So at least if I'm showing you behind glasses and how to do it and what's the best placement and all that, I hope that helps you. What else? Ugh. I also would like to try different models. I've got loads of friends now. I have. And I would love to do like different like skin tones, eye colours, hair colours, ages. I'm really going to try and add some models to me pages for you so you can think, okay, blue eyes, blonde hair, green eyes, brown hair, dark. I really want to have, well, yeah, let's do a bit for everyone. Would you like that? I also want to do some celebrity looks. Celebrity looks was my thing on YouTube years ago. I feel like I did it. I do feel like I did it, majority of it, more than like before a lot of people. But then someone told us that I was just doing it for the views and that upset us and I didn't do them again. And then everyone else started doing it, so sod it. We're going to do some celebrity looks. Right, I'm best go. I'm so excited about this palette. I could scream. Anyway, I hope you have had a lovely day and I shall see you in the morning for a get ready with me if I wake up. Alright? Zoom zoom.